interesting update from 13Fs for GameStop. Deutsche Bank is they dropped 41.8% of their shares, and their value of their shares is down. They're down like 52% in their position, as it's pretty interesting. So yeah, Deutsche Bank drops 41.8% of their shares. Yeah, I don't trust the average share price for from Fintel, because if it's not provided by the SEC, that means they're using their own systems to get these numbers, which I don't think it's worth anything. But anyways, you have Deutsche Bank 41.80% down on their shares, value negative 52%. So I mean, they're not doing too well on their position. Now, you also have the New York State Common Retirement Fund drop about 17%. That's a share lending vehicle. I believe BlackRock owns this. Same thing with the Treasurer of State of North Carolina. They're down, or no, they added shares. Okay. So they added 10%. And then we have Retirement Systems of Alabama picking up 80,000 shares. So my assumption is that they're reloading the share lending vehicles, and they're going to be lending shares at these higher price tiers where we're at. So hopefully we're done with the 180s, right? Or the 180 to 200 range. Maybe now we're in the 200 to 220 range. We'll have to wait and see. But they have new share lending vehicles set up and inserted now, um, as well as the New York State Common Fund. Okay, that went up by they added about 1% worth of shares. So that's what's going on. Other than that, not any real institutions picking up positions. We have advisor shares pick up a small, relatively small position. So looks like their portfolio value could use the use the uptick. So, anyways, that's the update I have for you, and I might as well do AMC too while I'm here. Let's see if there's anything relatively important. 13F land. Wow. Okay. So interesting. Okay. So you have AMC now, Deutsche Bank. They increased their position in AMC by 125%, and their value is changed by 50%. So they were losing money on GameStop. They're making money on AMC. Interesting to see that. I wonder what the end game is for these people. So yeah, Deutsche Bank adds, more than doubles their AMC position and drops GME by about 50%. I don't think there's anything relevant to the stocks like AMC versus GME type thing. That's not what I'm getting at. Just saying, it's interesting to see opposite ends of the coin being played between these two. So, anyways, that's all I have for you. Have a good one.